Hello friends, in our previous lectures on term symbols, we successfully find the methods how to find the term symbols, and by using those methods we calculated term symbols for various S and P block elements. Today we will calculate term symbols for D2 configuration. But before starting that, let us quickly rewind our previous lectures. A term symbol is of the form 2s plus 1 lj. So in order to find a term symbol, we need to calculate the values of capital S, capital L and capital J, which can easily be calculated by applying these formulas. These are the formulas to calculate capital L, capital S and capital J, and J values are calculated from values of capital L and capital S, because we are talking about LS coupling or Russell-Saunders coupling. So I have already discussed in detail about these terms, how what they mean and how they are calculated in my previous lectures. So I have kept the link of those lectures in the description section, so please see there. Now if we apply these formulas to a D2 configuration, then we can have two values of capital S. S can be either 0 and 1, whereas L can have four values: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these values of S and L, they lead to 10 term states possible for a D2 configuration. But in our today's lecture, we have to find the term symbol for a D2 configuration when atom is in its ground state. Now, what does that mean? So now we will learn about the meaning of atom in ground state and ground state terms, which are two totally different terminologies. So first we will see the meaning of atom in ground state. So when the two electrons, they belong to orbital of the same shell, then we will say that atom is in ground state, like Nd2. Suppose we have a system like this: 3d2, 4d2 or 5d2, means two electrons in d orbitals belonging to the same shell. Whereas on the other hand, if we have this scenario, one electron in d orbital of one shell and another electron in d orbital of different shell, like 3d1, 4d1. So this is a different case. Now this we will say atom is not in its ground state, we can say it excited state. And for this system, when atom is in excited state, there are 10 terms possible for a D2 configuration. But for atom in ground state, all these terms, these are not possible, because Pauli's exclusion principle now applicable, and it limits the number of term states. So when the atom is in its ground state, we have only five terms. Now what are those five terms out of these 10 terms which will represent atom in ground state, that today we will learn. And I have already mentioned a method that for a two electron system we can apply these rules to find the term symbols for a atom in its ground state. Like, the rule says that if L is even, that if it is 0, 2, 4 or 6, then S can have only one value, 0. If L is odd, like 1, 3 and 5, then it can have only one value, S is equal to 1. So we will apply these rules in our upcoming slides. Whereas ground state term, ground state term means the term having lowest energy out of these states, that state is called a ground state. So for a particular configuration, out of the states, possible states, the state having lowest energy is called ground state term. Now, for a D2 system, there are 45 microstates which are possible. Means Microstate means the number of ways in which these two electrons they can be arranged in these 5d orbitals with values of small ml plus 2. We know that for a d orbital we can have 5d orbitals with value of small ml plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 and minus 2. These are the values of small ml for 5d orbitals. Now let us see how we get 45 microstates. We can calculate the number of microstates by applying this formula. Now for a d orbital value of azimuthal quantum number or orbital quantum number is 2. Now put this value in this expression and calculate the number of microstates. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So in the numerator, we get 10 factorial. Now let us see in the denominator, x is the number of electrons. So today we are concerned with the 2 electrons. So if you get 2 factorial. Now this gives 10 minus 2, 8 factorial. Now 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial gets cancelled. So it becomes 10 into 9 divided by 2. That means 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. So there are 45 state terms which are possible for a D 45 microstates. Sorry, there are 45 microstates possible for a D2 configuration. Now let us quickly try to draw all these microstates, and we know that these microstates should be. So let us quickly draw these 45 arrangements. Suppose these two electrons with same spin. These are in these two orbitals. Next system is keep it here. Keep moving this electron one forward, right. So next is this. This electron goes here. Next is this electron here. This electron goes here. Now start from here. Now next possibility is this electron here. This electron here. This electron here. This you have to be very careful while drawing this so that we should not skip any microstates or any arrangement, and no arrangement should be duplicate. Next, start from here. This, 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 this. Now next is this. Now in next case, what we can take first electrons as upward spin and second electron take as a downward spin. Now you can write all these arrangements again like this. This electron goes here. This electron goes here. This this electron goes here. Now start from here. This electron here. This electron goes here. This electron here. This electron goes here. This electron here, and this electron goes here. Now we can move this electron to here. This electron here. This electron here, and both the electrons they have opposite spin. So this now this, so these were the arrangements possible when first electron has upward spin, second electron has downward spin. Now take the reverse case. First electron downward spin, second electron upward spin. Now this downward, this upward, this downward. Now keep moving this electron to the right. This upward, this downward, this upward, this downward, this upward. Now move this electron to next step. This downward, this upward, this downward, this upward, this downward, this upward. Now move it here. This downward, this upward, this downward, this upward, this downward, this upward. Now next case you will be sure that what will be the next case when both the electrons they have downward spin. This. Now this here, now keep moving this electron to the right. This, this electron here, this electron here, this electron here, this electron here. Now move this electron here and draw the arrangements. This here, now this here, this here, this here, this here. Now this here, this here, this electron here, this electron comes here. Next arrangement that is possible is this electron can be here and this electron can be here. Now five arrangements are pending in which both the electrons they are in the same orbital but with the opposite spin, because Pauli's exclusion principle is applicable to the atom in the ground state. Now this, so these are 45 unique arrangements in which 5d orbit 2d electrons they can be arranged in these 5d orbitals. Now we will see that for this system what are the possible term states that are necessary and by which we can represent all these 45 microstates. So that we will do in our next slide. But before going further, now we should know the term symbols about M, L, and MS, because when we find term symbol from electronic configuration, we calculate ML and MS. So ML is calculated by summation of small ml for individual electrons. Similarly, MS is calculated from summation of small ms for individual electron. Now, arrow with upward spin has ms plus half. So, the arrow with the negative downward spin, we say it has ms is equal to minus half. So, the small ml values, capital ml is calculated from small ml values, and for electron in a d orbital, this ml values can vary plus 2, plus 1, 0, now depending upon the orbital in which the electron is present. Small ml can have value plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 2, and minus 1. So from these values we can calculate capital ML. But one thing that we have to keep in mind that, and which is most important thing, is that in order to write a term symbol which is of the form 2s plus 1 L J, we need values of capital S, capital L, and capital J. But when from electronic configuration we calculate values of M, L, and MS. So we determine values of capital L and capital S from values of ML and MS by grouping them together. So that how, let us see how we calculate values of capital L and capital S. Now for a given value of L, ML can have 2L plus 1 values. Suppose capital L is 1. Now, if capital M is 1, ML can have 3 values because 2L plus 1 gives 3. What are these 3 values? It can be 1, 0, or minus 1. So, if we get this type of group 1, 0, minus 1, then we can say this may belong to value L is equal to 1. If we get a ML values of ML of a group like 2, 1, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. So these 5 values. If we get a system like this, then we can say it may belong to L is equal to 2. So that's how we will calculate capital L from ML value. Similarly, we can calculate capital S from MS values, because in order to write a term symbol, we need values of capital S and capital L. Now let us see what are the possible term symbols for a N2 system, which is a atom in its ground state. Now for a D2 system, we have capital S is equal to 0 and 1, whereas capital L comes out to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will apply the rule. If L is even, like L is 0, 2, 4, 6, we can have only one value of S, which is 0. And when L is odd, we can have only one value of S, which is equal to 1. Now, when the atom was in its exciter state, like for this configuration, ND1 and dash D1, these values of S and L, they lead to 10 term states. So these are the term states which are possible for D2 configuration. All the possible states for a D2 configuration when it is in exciter state. But when it comes to ground state, like for ND2 system, we have to apply this rule. Like when L is either 0 or even, we will take value of S is equal to 0. Like when L was 0, S is 0. Now we cannot take its value as 1, because this rule limits the value of L. Now for L is equal to 2, S is 0. For L is equal to 4, S is 4. Similarly, for L is equal to 1, S is 1, and for L is equal to 3, S is 1. So we have only 5 possibilities out of these 10 possibilities, because now when L is 0, like S, 3S is not possible, because for L is 0, S should be only 0, it cannot be 1. So L0 S0 lead to this state term 1S, 1 L1 S1 leads to 3P state. How? Because for L is equal to 1, symbol is capital P, and this value of S is equal to 1 leads to spin multiplicity, which is given by 2S plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. For this combination L2S0, we have 1D state. For this configuration L3S1, we have 3F state. For this L4S0, we have 1G states. Now these term states, now we can calculate the number of microstates that are associated with these term states. Now we know that for a D2 configuration there are 45 microstates. So these 5 term states, they should be able to represent these 45 microstates. Now we already have the formula to calculate the number of microstates associated with a state term state. Means the number of microstates to which a particular term state can be assigned. So the rule is multiplicity multiplied by 2L plus 1 value. Now for this, like 1S system, multiplicity is 1 and value of capital L is 0. So 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1S term state can be applied to only 1 microstage. Now let us calculate about 3p. It gives multiplicity is 3, 3 multiplied by, so capital L is 1 for this, 2 into 1, 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into 3. So it gives to 9 microstates. Similarly, 1D gives multiplicity is 1, capital L is 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 1 into 5, 5 microstates. Similarly, 3F corresponds to 3 is multiplicity, L is 3 for this. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 into 7. So 21 microstates are associated with this state term state symbol. Similarly, for 1G, we can calculate it gives 1 into L is 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 1 into 9. So 9 microstates. So total is 9 plus 21, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 9, 44, and 44 plus 1 is 45. So these 45 microstates, they can be represented by these 5 term states. Now that we will see how to make the groups. So our next task is to arrange these the microstates that we have written for the. I will go to the slide here. The microstates that we have already drawn for a D2 configuration. Now we have to group them in such a way that we get the desired value of capital L and capital S. So that we can do here. Now our task is to make the groups of these microstates to get the desired term symbol. Suppose let us start with this L for S1, S0. So this leads to term symbol 1G. Okay. Now what is the term states? It is 1G. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 microstates. So the microstates that will be associated with the 1G are 9. Let us try to find what are those 9 microstates. Now for this S is 0, so MS will have value 0. So we will write here for all these 9 systems MS has to be 0. Okay, first we will write the MS value. Now next what we have, let us see the values of ML. Now L is equal to 4. L is equal to 4 leads to values of ML is equal to 4, 3. I will write here 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, and -4. So if out of 45 microstates we find 9 microstates of this combination and group them, then these values of ML will lead to value of L is equal to 4, and these values of MS will lead to values of S is equal to 4, and we will get the term state 1G. Now let us try to find the microstates. Now, as ML is 4, it is only possible when two electrons they are present in the orbital with ML is equal to +2. Now, two electrons, 2 into 2, 4. So, ML is 4. Second thing is MS has to be 0. So, these electrons they should have opposite spin. So, now we will start from here. Okay. Now, next we need a microstate with ML 3 and MS 0. What we can do? Keep this electron here. So if we move this electron to here, what we will get? 2 plus 1, 3. Capital M is ML is 3, and the electrons are with opposite spin. So MS is 0. Now to get ML is equal to 2, what we can do? Keep this electron here, move this electron to this orbital. Now for this system, capital ML is for this electron 1 multiplied by 2, 2. For this electron 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2, as they have opposite spin. So MS is 0. Now if we keep it here and move this to one step right, now what we get, ML is 2 minus 1, 1, and MS is 0. Why? Because they have opposite spin. Next is this, move this to here. So this has ML is 0 as well as MS is 0. Now next we need ML is equal to -1. Now what we can do? We can move this electron to here. ML plus 1 and keep it as it is. This gives to 1 minus 2 minus 1, and this is 0. Now next what we will do? We need -2. So we will move this electron to here. 0 minus 2 gives to -2. Now we need -3. This one electron here, one electron here. We are why we are taking the electrons with opposite spin? Because we need MS is 0. So it gives you -1, -2, -3, and this MS is 0. Now next possibility is minus 4, that will be this. So these are 9 microstates which can be represented by a single term state 1g. Now let us come to our next case when L was 3 and for L is equal to 3, S can have only one value is equal to 1. So this represents the term state for L is equal to 3, symbol is F. So for S is equal to 1, multiplicity is 3, 3F. Now this term states can be applied to how many microstates? 3 multiplied by L is 3, 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 into 7, 21 microstates. So we can represent 21 microstates by these term states. Now let us try to see how we will approach this. Now for this S is 1. So MS can have value. But what can be the possible values of MS? Plus 1, 0, minus 1. And L is 3. What are the possible values of ML? ML can have values from 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. So these are 7 values, possible values of ML for L is equal to 3. Now what we can do, first we will write the microstates with values ML is equal to plus 3, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, but MS will be 1. So this will give to 7 microstates. Next we will write the microstates with ML is equal to 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But now we will have we will take the case when MS will be 0. This will give to 7 more microstates. So total are 7 plus 7, 14. In next case, we will write the microstates with ML is equal to these values and MS is equal to minus 1. So that will give to further 7 values. So we will get total 21 microstates. So first we will do like 1. First we will take MS is equal to 1 case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need one more that we can put it here. Okay. This case now ML has to be 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Okay. So next case, what we will do now? What next case we will do? We will take MS to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, ML we will take from 3 plus 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next, what we have to take MS as minus 1. That's how we arrange these in groups so that we can get desired microstates. So 7 values of minus 1 and ML again can have values 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now let us try to find the microstates which corresponds to these values. Okay, now we know we need these values. Now we will assign the microstates corresponding to these values. Now we need ML is equal to 3. This is only possible when one electron is in orbital with ML is equal to plus 2. Now we need MS is equal to 1. So we take both the electrons with upward spin. Now this gives capital ML as 2 plus 1, 3 and capital MS as 1. So now what we will do, we will keep this here and keep moving this. This gives you MS 1 but ML is equal to 2 plus 0, 2. Next is this here, this goes here again. MS is 1 but now ML is 2 minus 1, 1. Now Next case will be this electron will be here, this electron will come here. This system belongs to 2 minus 2, 0, ml is 0, ms is 1. Now we need minus 1, so for that what we can do? We can move this electron one step right. Here ml 1, ml, small ml minus 2. This gives you 1 minus 2 minus 1 and it is a 1. Now what we will do? We will move it here. This electron comes here, this electron comes here. So this corresponds to 0, minus 2, minus 2 and ms is 1. Next we have to calculate minus 3, 1, minus 3, 1 is this and this. Now we have to calculate again same 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But now we need ms as 0. That means now we will write the 7 microstates in which these two electrons they will be with opposite spin so that we can get ms is 0. And to get 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 we will apply the same things. We will start from here ml2 and ml1. So let us see how we but what we will do this 2, but now we will take the second electron as opposite spin. So this corresponds to 2 plus 1 3 and ms 0. Now this here ml is 2, ms is 0. This this here capital ml is 1, capital ms is 0, 0. Now this electron here, it corresponds to both ml is equal to 0, ms is equal to 0. Now next we will move it here and keep it here as it is. So this corresponds to 1 minus 2 minus 1 and ms is 0. So 0 minus 2 gives minus 2 and spin is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 it gives minus 3 and spin is opposite, so ms is 0. Now we have to write when ms is minus 1, that means both the electrons they will have downward spin. Again we'll start from here because this gives you value of ml is 3. Now for 2 what we will do? Keep here as it is, move it to here. So 2 plus 0, 2 and minus half, minus 1. Now this here, this gives ml is equal to 1. This here, it gives you ml is equal to 0. Now this here, it gives ml is equal to minus 1 and ms is minus 1. Now we will move this here. So 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus half minus 1. Now this here and this here. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus half is minus 1. So these are the 21 microstates for which L is equal to 3 and S is equal to 1, and we have the term state as 1, sorry 3, because S is 1, so 2S plus 1 is 3, 3F. So this state can be assigned to 21 microstates. So next we will have next value L is equal to 2. Now S is equal to 0. So this corresponds to state 1D. Now 1D state, it contains how many microstates? 5 with S0. So MS can have value 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. L2 means ML 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now 2 value will come from how we can get the value 2 when both these electrons they are with ml is equal to 1. Now as ms is 0, so they will have opposite spin. So this gives you ML is equal to 2, MS is equal to 0. Now we need 1, so keep it here as it is. Move second electron here. So it gives you ML1, MS0. Now if we move it here and take it to here, this gives true ML0. 1 minus 1, 0. MS is 0 because both have opposite spin. Next you keep it here and move it here. So 0 minus 1 minus 1, half minus half is 0. Next we need with minus 2, that means 2 electrons will be here. This is minus 2, 0. So these microstates, they can have L is equal to 2, S is equal to 0. So state is 1D. Next is L is 1, S is 1. So this leads to term state 3P, which has 9 microstates associated with it, with the values of MS 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, whereas ML is again L is equal to 1, ML is plus 1, 0, minus 1, plus 1, 0, minus 1, plus 1, 0, minus 1. Now let us try to draw this. We can start from here. Both the electron have same spin, so capital ML is, so capital ML is 1 plus 0, 1. Capital MS is again half plus half, 1. So next is keep it here and move this electron to here. So it gives you 1 minus 1, 0, half plus half, 1. Next we need minus 1. Keep this electron here, move this to one step right. So this gives you minus ML is equal to minus 1 and MS is equal to 1. Next we need for 0. Now we have to be very careful that we should not repeat any microstate. This microstate we have already written, so we cannot write it again. So that is the mistake that one can commit while writing the microstates. That's why I deliberately did this. So you have to be very careful that no microstate is repeated. Now we need values for minus 1. So this will be this state we have not written. 0, minus 1. So it is 0 minus 1 minus 1 and spin is same. So half plus half is 1. So this state is possible for ML minus 1, MS 1. Now we need 3, 1, 0 minus 1 and we need 0, 0, 0. That means we will take them with opposite spin. So this down, this up. This is MS 0, ML 1. So this down, this up. Okay, 0, 0. Now this down, this up, minus 1, 0. Now we need with minus 1, that means both will be downward. Both will be downward like this down, okay, this down, and this down, this down. This corresponds to ML1, MS minus 1, ML1 minus 1, 0, MS minus 1. Now 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus half is minus 1. Now only 1 is, so these are the 9 microstates that can be associated to 3p state. Now we have to find for L0, S0, which gives to 1 S microstates. Now this possibility we have not written yet. So these were the 45. We successfully applied 5 term states to 45 micro states of D2 configuration. And one thing you can note it down that it is not necessary that this system 0 minus 1 only this system can be used for L is equal to 1, S is equal to 1. We can have any system for which ML is 0, MS is minus 1. Just to make our things easy and so that we do not have same microstates again. So we try to make some symmetric groups so that we should not repeat one. Otherwise, it is not hard and fast that only this microstates will belong to 0, 0. Okay, this also belong to 0, 0. They can be interchanged with one another. We just had to show that we should be able to assign these 5 term states to 45 microstates. Now we will find the ground state term for these term symbols for D2 configuration. So we know that what is the formula. First we have to consider the state with the highest spin multiplicity because that leads to lesser repulsions and lower energy. So what we will do, we will arrange the term states in decreasing order of spin multiplicity. Now if those states which have same s values, then we will see the values of capital L. If L is more, that means state is stable. So for same values of L and S, we consider values of capital J. Now we have two rules. If the orbital is less than half filled, then we take smallest J value. If it is more than half filled, we will take maximum J value. Now let us try to find the term states for D2 configuration. Now for D2 configuration, the term states were 1G, 3, sorry, I have already have 1S, 3P, 1D, 3F and 1G. These are the 5 term states possible for a D2 configuration. Now we have to find the ground state term. Now let us see what is the first rule. First rule states that arrange the terms in decreasing order of spin multiplicity. Start with the symbol with the highest multiplicity. Highest, there are two symbols with S is equal to 3. So we don't know, we just write 3F, okay, 3P. Now we don't know about F and P, so we will keep it as it is. Now 3P is less in energy than this 1S, 1D and 1G. Now we don't know depending upon the S values what symbol we will use here. So to apply symbol whether this will be great or this will be lesser, we see the L value. Now let us see the second rule which states that for a given value of S, the state with highest value of L is most stable. That means 3F, it has L is equal to 3 and 3P has L is equal to 1. So which will be more stable? 3F. So we will write here 3F is least in energy. Then comes 3P. Now let us see about 1. Now all these have same values of S. So 1G has highest value of L, then 1D, then 1S. So this is the correct order in which order of energy of these 5 term states. The state with the lowest energy is 3F. So we will call it that 3F is the ground state term for D2 system. Now we can also calculate in terms of J. Let us apply, I will apply J values only to this symbol. You can apply to all the symbols and write the order, but I will just apply to 3F. For this, S is equal to 1 and L is equal to 3. So J is L plus 1, L plus S is 3 plus 1, 4. L minus S is 3 minus 1, 2. Now we have to go from 4 to 2 by difference of 1. So J can have 3 values, 4, 3, 2. So 3 term symbols are possible for this state, 3, F, 4, 3, F, 3, 3, F, 2. Now we will apply this rule. As this system is less than half filled, D2 is less than half filled. So the symbol with the smallest J value will have lowest energy. So this 3F2. Now 3F2 is the ground state term symbol for D2 configuration. Similarly, we can find term symbol for other D configurations by applying the same methods, and we can find the ground state term. So thank you very much for your kind attention. If you like the lecture, please do subscribe and share with your friends and other students. Thank you.